Hi everyone, welcome to Digital Journey. And this video will discuss about like what is the keyword in keyword research. Before doing the on-page optimization, before doing the SEO part, firstly we will do the keyword research, like on which particular keyword we want to target our website, and we will target our website. So just keyword are the phrase of words. Keywords, we can say that keyword is a kind of the words that people type in a search engine to find information online. Means what are the search engine that we have discussed already, like the Google, these are the search, Google, Bing, Yahoo, these all are the search engine. So as we can say that if we come in the search engine, if we search for an inquiry, like if we search for the digital marketing course in Delhi, so this inquiry is this inquiry is done by us, so we can say that this particular is keyword. So this is the keyword research, like we have to find what user want to search. On the basis of that particular keywords, on the basis of that particular search query, we have to optimize our website content. Now we can see that here are the some things to consider when doing the keyword research. First thing, match the search term. Make sure the keyword phrase match the exact search people use. Basically, firstly we have to focus on what the people are searching. We have to research on that, like what people can search on the particular. Suppose we are selling our digital marketing course, so we have to search for the people can search target the location basis. Suppose digital marketing course in good Delhi, a digital marketing course near me, digital marketing course in Gurgaon. So on the basis location basis, the people can search top rated digital marketing course, best digital marketing course, or digital marketing course with certification, ISO certified digital marketing course with job oriented, with job placement. So this kind of the search query can be raised by a customer, can be raised by visitor. So we have to focus on these query, like what exactly people can search, what exactly visitor can search. On the basis of that, we have to start optimize our website content. So first the term is the match the search term. Make sure the keyword match the exact search term people use. The second one is the search volume. Look for the keyword with high search volume. What it says, like suppose if we search, if you select the keyword past digital marketing course in Delhi, in Rewari, suppose best digital marketing course in Rewari, if the search volume, like in the monthly term, only so people is searching, so we can say that we will not have the much benefit that we can do. So if we will target best digital marketing course in Delhi, on that 5,000 volume is there in monthly, so in term of the Rewari, then Delhi is much better. So hamisha we have to find the keywords which has the high volumes. If the search volume will be high, then most chance more visitors we can get on our website. The third one is the competition. Consider the level of the competition for the keyword. Ideally you want a keyword with high search volume and low organic search competition. So if we decide the volume part, like the volume is fine for this particular keyword and we can expect the similar kind of the result, and how then the competition part is there, we have to cross check how much competition on that particular keyword is there in the organic term. So once we're done with the finalization of match the search term for the volume part and competition is a great factor. If the competition is low for that particular keywords, so we can easily get the ranking of the website as soon as possible. If the competition on that particular keyword will be high, then there will be much time consuming, that can be much time consuming to get the ranking on the search engine pages. So this is we can say that we have to focus on three things. First one, the match the search term. If we match the same query, then and search volume will be high and the competition will be low. If three things can be good, then we can say that the website ranking can be improved fastly in the search organic way. Now some tips for using the keywords in digital marketing. So what are the tips in digital marketing that we can use while the keyword research? The first one is to define your target audience. In the define your target audience, understand what question your target audience has. Firstly, we have to identify what is our audience. Our audience is like between 18 to 25 age group. So firstly we have to do the research on our target audience. We have to just understand like what is your target audience and problems, what the problems the target audience have, you can solve for them. People doesn't purchase the products, people purchase the solution of a problems. If you have the solutions of the particular problem, so we can say that the people can definitely buy. But if you trying to selling the products, there will be low possibility that people can purchase. So always try to create a solution for that particular problems, and from that the customer can gain. So first we have to narrow your focus, get more specific to cater your content to your target audience. Use less competitive keywords. What is narrow your focus? Like instead of focusing worldwide or for India location, we have to build the focus on the local area. Suppose initially we have to try on the local area. Once we will done with the local area, after that we have to expand into the major cities. And what is the main benefit of targeting in the local area? We will find our mistake, what mistake we will done. So once we'll cross the local area and we will go in the further areas, so we can understand what our mistake, so we can improve before going expand our business in the different country or different cities. The third one is the track your performance. Once done with the keyword finalization, once done with the on page SEO or off page SEO, so we have to daily basis tracking our performance, like how our keyword is performing and how our website is performing for that particular keyword. So these are the some tips. Firstly, define your target audience, narrow your focus, start small initially, try to focus on local area. Once local area can be done, then try to expand. From that local area you can learn what mistake you have made, and in further expansion of the business, in that you can learn and implement that those mistakes that have done in the local area, so that you can track your performance. Tracking the performance is a major part, is the main part for any business, because from the tracking of the performance we can analyze like how keyword is performing and how we can optimize. So if you have any question in this particular video, what is the keyword and tips in the keywords, so you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Take care.